Discord is giving out another 900 orbs. The total is what makes 10,100 orbs. But only 4.5% of you have subscribed to me, so make sure to subscribe if you're watching. It helps the channel heaps. There's a new quest from Rainbow Siege, but you can do it only on phone. No need for the VPN. This quest gives out 200 orbs. The second quest is a puzzle type. You need to do this one on your PC. You'll require VPN too, so get that and enable US location and refresh your Discord page. You should be able to see the new Netflix Luffy quest. Click Launch Quest in Discord. Once it's on, just as PC and slow it down. Now I won't talk anything until the quest is over. You can watch the walkthrough if you can't figure it out on your own. And there we have it, our 700 orbs. I hope you liked this walkthrough, even though I wasn't talking. There are other active quests too, and I've already covered videos on them. They will expire on the first week of March, so make sure to do them on time. In total, they should be able to give you above 10k orbs. I have posted all the quest links in this video's description, so make sure to fetch it from there. You can join my main server if you want decors and layouts. We have banners, PNGs, and all kinds of layouts that you need. My main server is also for mental health and Genshin. When you click the join link, fill out a form explaining why you have joined us. A staff will accept you. Then go to Verify Channel and simply verify yourself to activate all the channels. Just don't join my main server if you want free Nitro or Orbs links. You can join my support server instead. And if you guys like this video, hit the like and subscribe button so the video gets into algorithm.